Hello. What's your name?
My name is Letty.
What's your name?
Letty.
Okay, lovely. And how old are you? You're 5. How are you today? Nice, good job. Okay, let's have a look here. Ooh, what do you see?
I see a whale.
Oh, very good. And what do you see?
I see a rabbit.
Very nice. Do you like rabbit? Yeah, me too. What do you see?
I see a cat.
A hen. Good job. What do you see?
Phải
In English? Is that it? That's all 4, you're right, yeah. And, okay. Oink, oink. What is it?
A pig.
It's a pig, good. How about moo?
It's a cat.
Yes, very good. And cock-a-doodle-doo.
It's a rooster.
It's a rooster, well done. And ba. What is it?
It's a goat.
Goat, good job, excellent. Now, what does the horse say?
It's a rat.
What does the horse say? The horse says,
Neck.
good, neigh. What does the dog say?
Dog. Dog.
Woof, woof, good. What does the cat say?
Cat. Meow. Meow.
Meow, meow. Good job. And what does the duck say?
Quack. Quack.
Quack, quack. Good job, excellent. So let's have a look here. Oh, we'll move that. What letter is this? What letter? Is it B? Not B. No, what letter is this? A. What sound does it make?
It's a egg.
An ant. Good job. Let's move on to the next one. What letter is this?
It's a bee.
B. What sound? B.
A hat.
It's a bus. Can you say ba?
B.
B. Ba.
B.
Bus. Good. And what does this? What letter is this?
C.
And what sound? C. Cat. Good. Say C. Cat. Next one. What letter is this? Good. And what animal is this?
Duck.
The duck. Nice. Quack, quack. What letter is this?
E.
E. Perfect. And what's this?
I.
I. What colour is the eye?
It's a blue.
It's blue. Good job. And what letter is this one? F.
F.
Good. And what animal is this?
Fish.
Fish. Nice one. Good job. And what letter is this? G.
C.
Good job. And what animal is this one?
Go.
Goat. Good job. And what letter is this? H.
A.
Good. And what's this?
Cat.
Hat.
Hat.
Hat. Good job. What letter is this?
I.
Yeah, nice. And what's this?
Ashy.
Do you like ice cream? Yes. Nice one. Thank you very much. What's this?
J.
J. And what's this?
Jump.
Jump. Good job. And this one?
K.
K. And what's this?
T.
Perfect. Nice one. And this?
L.
Good job. And what animal?
Lion.
Lion. Nice. And this?
and
Good. What's this?
mouse,
Mouse. Good. And what's this?
and
Perfect. And what's this?
no,
Can you touch your nose? Yeah. Oh, perfect. What's this?
oh,
Oh, and what's that?
orange,
Nice. Well done. Next one.
P,
P. Very good. And what's that?
pencil,
Yes. Nice one.
Q, green,
Queen. Good job. Nice. And what's this?
R,
R. And what's that?
red,
Good job. Thank you. And this one. Oops.
P,
S. Good job. And what's that?
sheep,
Ship. Good. And what letter is this?
P,
T.
C,
T.
D,
And what animal is that?
turtle,
Turtle. Very good. And here? U.
U,
Good.
umbrella,
Umbrella. Very good. Thank you. And what's this one?
V,
V. And what instrument is that?
finally,
Yeah, perfect. Nice. How about this? Double.
W,
Yeah, and what's that?
whoa,
Whoa, very nice. Here? X, nice.
xylophone,
Xylophone, very nice. Good job. How about this?
I,
Y.
Y,
Okay, good. And what's this?
yo-yo,
Yo-yo, very good. And last one there, what's that?
C,
Z, nice. And what animal is that? Z. Z. Zebra.
zebra,
Zebra, very good. Okay, high five. Good job. You can go back next door. And see. Oh, excellent. Mm. Do you know her name? I didn't.
Art teacher for the student list of the class.
Okay, yeah.
So I will help you.
Thank you very much. Cheers. Hello. Come sit down here. Good job. I think